Okay, Rainier, welcome to the classroom. We're going to do our deep ocean currents lesson here. So here we have a fish tank with about 2 gallons of water. We have 3 thermometers. 1, 2, 3. Their starting temperature, 35 degrees Celsius. So that is warm water we have in here. Inside this blue bucket here, we have ice salt water that we dyed blue so you know it's cold. Smart. So what we're going to do here is this is going to represent the ocean. This is going to represent our ice caps. As ice freezes in the Arctic, only the water freezes. The salt remains. So we get some extra salty water. Can you slide me that salt? We'll add a little extra salt just for good measure. So when the salt water freezes, the salt remains in the ocean. So we'll add some salt here. Here we'll mix it up a bit. And as I check the temperature, we are getting about 1 degree Celsius. So our water here that we're starting with is 1 degree Celsius. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this into the funnel here. It's going to go down and under the water, so it's going to sink to the bottom of the ocean. So we have our iceberg. This is pretending to be our iceberg way at the top where I'm pouring it. And then that dense, cold, salt water here will start to sink. So we're going to start the timer in just a second. And we're going to observe what happens. So we're ready to start the timer.
All right, I'm starting to pour the blue cold salt water into the warm fresh water that has no salt. You can see it starting to come out the tube. We're going to be looking to see how long it takes each thermometer to drop in temperature. Looks like thermometer 1 at 30 seconds is starting to drop in temperature. Thermometer 2 is dropping in temperature at 42 seconds. And thermometer 3 at 45 seconds is dropping in temperature. So you can see as after we put in the cold salt water that the blue is sinking to the bottom of the tank and the liquid at the top is a lot clearer than the liquid at the bottom. And now our final temperatures at thermometer 1 is 31 degrees Celsius. And thermometer 2 looks like it's at about 29. And thermometer 3 looks like it's at about 30 degrees Celsius. So make sure you add all those times and numbers to the data table.